Hello, this is Barna from wpress.zone. In this video, I want to show you how to use the related post sections in the Kotka Elementor template pack. It will include two options and three use cases, one for the regular placement at the end of your single posts, and one as a sidebar widget. But please note, this will require Elementor's Pro version. Without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin area and make sure that Elementor and Elementor Pro are installed and activated. Next, let's import a related post template. Hover over Elementor and click on the My Templates option. Here, click on Import Templates. Navigate to the unzipped template pack folder and in the Sections folder, find the Related Posts option. Here, we can use the zip file to import all three templates at once. Great. There are a few options from here on. First, we can add the sidebar widget to the required position. For this, we need to do a bit of editing of the template. Let's find the related posts for sidebar template and edit with Elementor. As we cannot export widgets, this is a whole section. To get the widget only, hover over the post widget and click on the save icon. Give it a name that you will remember and exit the editor. Next, hover over Appearance and click on the Widgets option. Add an Elementor template widget to the sidebar of your choice, and from the drop-down, find the recently saved template. You can give it a title or just leave it blank. Great. Now let's have a quick look. The next option is to use the new Elementor Pro single post template. I have already created a template for this demo, so all I have to do is to edit it. Go back to your WordPress admin area, hover over Elementor and click on the My Templates once again. Find the single tab and edit the template of your choice. At the end of the template, simply add a new section from Templates. Find the related post template and insert it. From here, you can style it as usual. Make sure to save it when finished and exit from the editor. Now that we have a single post template and the display conditions are set to all singular, let's refresh our previous single post. The last version is for those who use GeneratePress hooks and prefer to keep all functions done by the theme. For this to work, you need a bit of code and the shortcode of the related posts template. Go back to your WordPress admin area, hover over Appearance, and click on the GP Hooks option. Find the hook called After Content and insert the code provided. Next, in a new tab, let's find the shortcode of our template and simply copy and paste it to the designated location. When finished, make sure to tick the Execute PHP option too before you save it. This will add the related post template at the end of all the single posts only. Now that this hook is saved, let's have a look on our single post. As a side note, the styling issues in the posts are my mistake, as it was simply copy and pasted in place as a sample content. So this is how to do it quickly, but the magical setting you need to use when building your own version is in the post queries. I will show you how to do it now. Simply use the Post widget in Elementor Pro, and in the query options, set it to exclude the current post. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials. Until then, see you next time.